Part 2. Chino, 5.5 months. This is his dad is American Bulldog. His mom is a pit bull. Both lines is game bred. So if you want to say the whole mix thing, that's welcome to my channel. This is Judge. Out on the walk. Just his focus out, his drive. You know, he goes off my energy. That's the yard he likes to. It's a female dog in that yard. Yeah, I'm testing him out, checking his, checking his temperature out, how he act with me. I want this dog very protective. I had my cars broken into a few times on the property at my house, and obviously I was not pleased about it. Do I let him face pull if we walking past the alley and there's a dog and the dog come up to the alley, come up to the gate and start barking aggressively and all? Yeah, of course I'll let him do his thing. And do I fight him? No, but of course I'm gonna let him bark and snap back, because that's what I'm using him for. So for those people that don't understand that, there you go. Hopefully I explained that to you in the right manner. Shit. But yeah, I live in the city, so using him not for no working dog. He's not a working dog. This is a house dog that'll tear your ass up. That's basically what he is. He's not working for me. He's not chasing no hogs. I don't have him specifically for raccoons. I mean, yeah, I got plants in my yard and I'm growing fruit, cucumbers and all that. He's not used for that. So he is strictly, I'm gonna tear your ass up if you even think about trying to my car, or we had a whole thing with the whole Kia Boys thing out here where I live, out here in Ohio. So that was a big thing for a minute. Good boy. So just a quick little video, part 2.